What's up guys, Presley Yong here, back for another video. And today's video, we're going to talk about a 1 month later review on my iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is my daily e-driver device, which I use it for a month. So you can see, I can swipe it up, and there it is. So, last few weeks ago, I talked about the 1 week later review on my iPhone 12 Pro Max review. You just call iPhone 12 Pro Max review and it's amazing. That's the title. So if you didn't watch it, you can go back to my channel and watch the previous video of this iPhone 12 Pro Max. So today we're going to focus on 1 month later review on this device. And 1 month later, this phone is amazing. Like this battery life is good. It gives me a full day battery life for now, because you know iPhone battery degrade over 2 years time, but this is the big model with big battery, so means that it will still give you a good battery life. I can show you the battery capacity of this device. Got battery health. Yeah, I still maintain 100% because I never let my phone go down to 20% and then charge it up. Sometimes I charge to 95 and just remove. Some is I switch charge to 100. Depends. If I go out without a power bank, I'll charge it out to 100. Now this model is this iPhone 12 Pro Max is Pacific Blue. You can see the blue and also the box it has. It's a 256GB. I choose 256 because I download a lot of apps and take some pictures and also video, like video my iPad OS video and in HDR, which I already upload in the video as well. And also those heavy intensity games like Wild Rift, Mobile Legends, PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty and Minecraft, they require a lot of storage to do it when you update over time. And this device is great. The A14 actually is really great on gaming. I did games on those apps like Call of Duty. The Call of Duty I put in high definition with maximum frame rate. There's no lag issue. And I only play like 20 minutes, so it's fine for me. I play Wild Rift with 30 frames per second because they put default on 30 frames per second. It runs very smooth, while putting in high graphics is also a good thing. I haven't tested out PUBG Mobile, I just installed it, so I will test on it. Except Mobile Legend, I try on the iPad, I try on this device. It still drain battery. I had to put it down, it's still the same. So I think probably Mobile Legend is the only one who's drain more power compared to Wild Rift, because Apple during the event they introduced Wild Rift with this, so maybe this Huawei app is very optimized on the iPhone 12, 12 Pro or those iPhone 12 models. Now, when you talk about the specs, this one is 6GB of RAM compared to the normal iPhone 12. The rest is all 4GB, and if you are talking about the 10, there will be 3GB, and 10 are also 3GB, which is still fair and okay. But now 6GB, finally 6GB is enough for multitask and even destroy the Android with 12GB, so it's great. Now this review 1 month later is all about whether it's great. Of course it's great. And also charging, for me I usually charge in my previous video. I talked about I charge using my 12W iPad charger, and this one and of course this 12W iPad charger, it came from the iPad Pro 10.5 inch. You can actually get it in the Apple Store if you want to get one of those. And remember, this is actually USB Type A, which means that you cannot use this kind of charger. You can see I haven't even opened the charger yet because I don't prefer USB Type C. I still prefer USB Type A. That's the cable that I'm using right now. This is the OtterBox cable, this is how the wireless. You can see it's lighting, is USB Type A, and the packaging is this OtterBox cable. You see it's made for an iPhone, iPad, iPod, so it means this is certified, which is great. And the reason I choose this cable instead of the Apple's cable, because this is more durable. You can see the material they use is very great and high quality. And because it's certified, so probably use the same Apple's material and then use it for charging an iPhone. And this one looks great, and also maybe heat resistant on this, so to prevent any heat issue. And this one charged very fast on my iPhone. I know there's 18W and there is the 20W fast charger. They will take about, but it's only take around 1 hour and 47 minutes. This guy used 12W, it take 2 hours, so means it's a 30 minutes and extra. So no point for me getting in an extra for this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now Now, of course, there are three storage: 128, 256, 512. 256 is the sweet spot. 128 is also the sweet spot. However, when towards 64, it's not enough. So it's just start from 128 onwards. Now, of course, this phone doesn't have a headphone jack because from iPhone 7 onwards, they won't come with a headphone jack. So you either have to use AirPods or that. But because AirPods every 2 years and then AirPods start to degrade over time, which is very annoying when using it. So I had no choice to switch back to wire earphones, because wire earphones is very easy. You plug in, plug out, and the durability for this one, it will be longer than AirPods. Where AirPods has lithium ion battery, while this one you can connect where you want. But concerns about people, some people say that because when you connect and remove, there's a durability on the port using it. While the iPhone 10, the iPhone 10 actually 3 years, and I still don't have issue of the port pulling and pull it out, because in charging you still use it. So I think probably is many people will actually use it, or they frequently use to charge the device frequently. I know it depends. Many use power bank user now. Yeah, that's about a great thing about this review. And also I need to talk about the camera. Now the camera I take on this is triple lens camera. I even tried a night mode and I'm super impressed because night mode is very, very good. But I think I can show you one of the photos. So yeah, this is without night mode. This is without night mode, and I taken on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. You want to put on the landscape. Okay, you can see that this is the iPad Air Pro right here. You know the location. I think there's a error on it because I put sometimes use VPN. I just put it private sometimes. And this one is the iPad Air that's taken on iPhone camera. I think you cannot focus because this phone's video in another device. It's great. And if you can, this one is iPad, this one's rest. Yeah, I only take one picture, fortunate Earth, but I'll do more video and do the review soon, maybe 1 year later or 6 months later review on more on this camera device. Now, in terms of optimization, this guy is running in on iOS 14.2.1. As you know, iOS 14.3 is out, but it's only for the release candidate users only. It's 14.2.1. That one is actually fix all those issues like the bug issue, everything in on this device, which is also a good thing. Now, also, is it worth to get this device? Now, some people say it's not worth it, wait for the iPhone 13. For me, if you're a person who came from a very old phone, let's say iPhone 6, 6S, iPhone 5S, and you're like, okay, I need to upgrade it, this is a good deal. Get the Pro Max, don't get the Pro model. I know it's smaller, but the battery issue is worse. Get this one so you can last longer. You can last about 7 to 8 hours, depends how you use the device. And if you want device to get from the carrier, but you must pay a monthly cost, which is very expensive. And if you are talking about the case that I'm using right now, this is a case made it design. You can see it from here. Yeah, there we go. Case made it for this device, and it's great. And yeah, it's worth to get this device. In 2020, even when it's reached 2021, let's say around September, no, that's not worth it because Apple will release a new model. Right now, it's of course worth to get it. Now, a lot of people also mention about display again, which means that there's a gap up between in the device. When you see it down here, there's a small little tiny gap, but for my model it doesn't affect it. So yeah, so it's not an issue. Maybe some people got it, but Apple is not. So yeah, that's about it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. So probably the next video might be around iOS 14.3, the power version of this device, and I'll talk about it. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.